Good evening, I'm Swastika Panda from Odisha TV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First the headlines. Over 2 lakh devotees witnessed Snana Purnima, the bathing festival of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, Sudarshan and Goddess Subhadra today. State technical team inspects proposed location in Sambalpur for setting up of Indian Institute of Management, reviews 5 aspects as asked by HRD Ministry. CM Navin Patnaik summons DGP Sanjeev Marekh and Police Commissioner RP Sharma to crack High Court ex-church loot case immediately. Following inconclusive meet with state government, Odisha Truckers Association decides to go on strike from June 9th, nearly 1.3 lakh trucks to go off-roads. And Hollywood star Anubhav marks his presence as host in OTV's talk show Goppa Heli Visoto. Now the details. Snana Purnima, the bathing festival of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, Sudarshan and Goddess Subhadra was celebrated with a great religious fervour and gaiety in Puri this morning. Despite of the hot and humid climate, lakhs of devotees thronged the pilgrim city to witness the last festival of the deities before Nabakalibar. After the completion of Mangala Arati, Doralagi and Pushpanjali in the morning, the Dhadi Pahandi of the deities began amidst of beating cymbals, blowing trumpets and conches. First, Lord Sudarshan was brought to the Snana Mandap, followed by Lord Balabhadra, Jagannath and Devi Subhadra. The grand road in the temple town reverberated with chants of Jai Jagannath, Vedic hymns and ululation as devotees gathered in large numbers to catch a glimpse of Jagannath and his siblings during the yatra. After the deities are placed on the mandap, the Jala Abhishek Puja was performed by the servitors. Following the ceremonial bathing of the deities with 108 pitchers of aromatic water, the Moilam and Makeup Lagi rituals were conducted. After the Chhera Pahara of the deities, the Hathi Besha was done. The devotees were then allowed to witness the Hathi Besha from 6:30 pm to 9:30 pm. Meanwhile, in view of the large crowd, elaborate security arrangements were made and 205 sections of forces were deployed for smooth conduct of the festival. Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has asked officials to simplify the regulatory structure to make the state more business-friendly. Presiding over a meeting on ease of doing business yesterday, Patnaik directed the officials to do away with old and redundant procedures so far followed and synchronize multiple inspections. The move comes against the backdrop of a gradual decline in industrial investment and several greenfield projects being shelved midway. The gravity of the situation can be gauged from the fact that out of the 204 non-MOU projects entailing an investment of Rs 6.23 lakh crore, 119 are being implemented while investment proposals amounting to Rs 40,980 crore have been dropped midway. Similarly, in the case of 49 projects for which MOUs have been signed involving an investment of Rs 1.54 lakh crore, there is a little progress. Patnaik directed officers from all the departments concerned to bring forward proposals in the next cabinet meeting in case not for any regulatory reform is awaited. In the meeting, it was decided that Industrial Promotion and Investment Corporation of Odisha will soon come out with a notification to provide clear timelines for addressing investor grievances. Amid row over setting up of the campus of proposed Indian Institute of Management IIM at Sambalpur, a team from Employment, Technical Education and Training Department yesterday visited some locations for the premier business school in the city. The team made a review over the 5 aspects on which the centre had asked for a detailed report by June 5th. Later, the team had a discussion with the District Collector and RDC. On May 29th, the Human Resource Development Ministry had sent a letter to the state government asking it to submit its report on 5 aspects like availability of necessary infrastructural facilities in Sambalpur, presence of reputed business organizations in the city or its nearby areas, and any major industries located near it. Besides, it had also asked the state government to provide a detailed report on the economic condition of Sambalpur and job opportunities available in the city for the family members of the IIM officials by June 5th.
My report daba government nispoti nebe central government state government सब निष्पत्ति नबे सेमते आछे किछ फाइनल कोटा सुविधा हबो कोटा हे परिबो कोटा नय परिबो
जोटा को सुटेबल हेबो बिकॉज़ एटा तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया फाइनल करिवो से माने देखिबे कि कोटा तांकर सूट करूची इमीडिएट आरंभ करियो पई तो सेही हिसाब रे तांकर जहा रिक्वायरमेंट अछि ताको देखि करी जहाँ अवेलेबिलिटी अच्छी हमर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे से हिसाब रे हम रिपोर्ट देबो।
बारंबार एमती चिट्ठी लिखवाटा होची आमको उठके से माने ताच्छल्य करा भला लागुचे तांकर एतिकी जानिबार अछि तांकर लोक पठै संगे संगे वेरिफिकेशन करके जानि पारंते ए चिट्ठी लिखि समय गड़िबार किसी आवश्यकता नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री यदि हस्तक्षेप न करिवे एटा हेबनी कारण बाकी माने एथरे खेलुछंती।
Close on heels of an armed robbery in Cuttack, jewelry worth rupees 9 lakh were allegedly looted from the residence of Utkal Gramya Bank manager Sarat Chandra Hota in the Utkal Nagar of Balangir district. The incident took place when Hota and his wife had gone to the bank at 10:30 a.m. yesterday. After returning home, the couple found that rupees 30,000 cash and 300-gram gold were missing from the almirah. The bank official had registered a police complaint in this regard. As per the case diary, Hota said miscreants had entered his house after breaking the window grill and looted the valuables. Police sources said investigation into the case is going on. On Saturday, a gang of armed dacoits allegedly robbed retired Odisha High Court Judge Pradyumna Kumar Mahanti's house in Cuttack. The miscreants broke open the shelves and decamped with cash and jewelry worth over rupees 50 lakh.
12 बजे आसिक घर के फिरला बेल के देखी जिते घर तड़ा एंता सब पछपट झरका गोटे ताड़ी चिल्ड्रेन बेडरूम बाटी पशिक मास्टर बेडरूम जाकर लकर भांगिकी पाखापाखि 6 लाख खंडे सोना गहना हवा टंका सोना गहना सब नहीं खाली करते।
Chief Minister Patnaik yesterday summoned DGP Sanjeev Marik and Twin City Police Commissioner R.P. Sharma to the Secretariat in Bhubaneswar to know about the steps taken by the police in connection with the robbery case at retired High Court Judge P.K. Mahanti. Source said the Chief Minister directed the two police officials to nab the accused involved in the robbery case as soon as possible. He also directed them to tighten patrolling in CDA and Bedanasi areas of Cuttack. Besides, Patnaik asked the officials duo to make arrangements for installation of CCTV cameras at sensitive places in the Silver City. Meanwhile, suspecting involvement of a gang from outside the state in the crime, the Commissionerate Police has sent a team to Andhra Pradesh. The cops are yet to find a vital lead in the case. They believe that the robbers left the stolen car from the judge's house in Bhubaneswar to divert its attention. On May 30th, a gang of armed robbers broke into the house of Justice Mahanti in the early hours, tied up the judge and 2 of his family members and fled with gold ornaments, cash and a car. The Odisha Truck Owners Association has declared that it would stick to its earlier decision of holding strike from June 9th after a meeting with the State Transport Minister remained inconclusive yesterday. Association Secretary Ravi Satpathy said, though the Minister has expressed his concern over our 11-point charter of demands, we will not change our decision until we get a written confirmation. Meanwhile, Commerce and Transport Minister Ramesh Chandra Maji has requested the transport body not to go on strike, keeping in view of the state's interest. Notably, on May 21st, the association had declared to go on strike from June 9th, protesting the state government circular ordering cancellation of permits and licenses of truck owners and drivers after accidents. Besides, it had also demanded fulfill its 11-point charter of demands including hike fare. If government fails to act on the demands of the association, more than 1.3 lakh trucks will go off roads from June 9th.
आईन कौच गाड़ी दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो क्षतिग्रस्त हेले जितेबाला एमवीआई तक भेरीफाए करेंगे जे नाई एटा रास्तार चली पारनी से तार फिटनेस कैंसल हो से कले आम राजी ता बाहर आईन को विरुद्धाचरण करुवा कथा कले आम राजी आम लिखित प्रोसीडिंग आज आलोचनार प्रोसीडिंग आम न पाइचु प्रोसीडिंग रे केते सुविधा दिखाई न देखीचु से पर्यंत धर्मघट प्रत्याहार करूँ ना तेणु आज भी आम धर्मघट 9 तारिख मध्यरात्रि जो करवाक से अटल
से डिमांड था 9 तारिख सुधा करने किंतु आम अनुरोध करूँ से गोटे साधारण बैठक करें जो आज जो निष्पत्ति नियाई से निष्पत्ति को साधारण बैठक से आलोचना करेंगे जहाँ निष्पत्ति से ने।
On completion of 1 year in his 4th term, Chief Minister Navin Patnaik yesterday went through various works and projects undertaken by the Housing and Urban Development Department. While reviewing the report card, Patnaik asked the ministers and officials of the department to boost the drinking water supply facility system across the state. Besides, He also directed the concerned officials to replace all old and damaged pipelines as soon as possible to put brakes on spreading of waterborne diseases. Chairing the review meeting, the CM also reviewed the process of providing housing facility to the urban poor. He asked the department to prepare a roadmap so that the manifesto of BJD could be fulfilled. Among others, Chief Secretary and Housing and Urban Development Secretary were present during the meeting.
जो समस्या रही ड्रिंकिंग वाटर पाई ताकू किभली ओल्ड एज पाइप को ताकू चेंज करबा कथा एवं नुआ अर्बन कैडर अति शीघ्र किभली अणा जाई परिबो ता सहित एबे गत कैबिनेट रे जो पास करा जाइछि आपनकर सीडीपी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट पॉलिसी जो कराई ताकू किभली ट्रूली इम्प्लीमेंट करा जाई परिबो सब विषय आलोचना कराई।
Onion is back to bring tears in the eyes of consumers as price of the essential commodity has soared in recent times due to its short supply. 5 days ago, the price of onion was Rs 20 to 22 per kg, whereas at present, the essential commodity is being sold at Rs 24 to 26. Decline in the supply of onions is the major reason for steep rise in prices. In the state, onions are grown in Balangir district, which helps in controlling the prices. However, decrease in production of the commodity is showing adverse effect on the supply. Meanwhile, wholesalers said supply of onions from Nashik in Maharashtra has dried up due to fall in production.
आज 3 केजी की 70 टका भल पियाज जोटा 3 केजी की 70 टका आउ आगुर नौथली 60 टका 55 टका 3 केजी एबे टिके बढ़ी जाईछि पियाज
नासिक रो पियाज आसीपार ना किसी प्रोब्लेम थियारु नष्ट हो जाथियारु आज पियाज 28 टका एठी बिक्री होछि गोदाम रे 2400 टका पियाज आज हेछि
7 दिन आगुरु से जो पियाजटा आसला सेटिकार नासिक रो फसलटा खराब हेइतला वर्तमान सेठी जो नुआ फसल बाहरिछि भलो पियाजटा सेठी रेट ऊंचा हे जाईछि जा फल रे कि एठी 20 22 टका रे बिक्री होउछि होलसेलटा आ रिटेल ले समान से 3 4 टका 5 टका भीतर रखिबे देखिगिरी।
In a ghastly road mishap, 4 of a family were killed and 6 others sustained critical injuries when a Tata Sumo vehicle in which they were travelling collided head-on with a speeding truck coming from the opposite direction near Phagwapada under Sadar police limits of Sundargarh district late last night. Sources said the incident took place when the family members were on their way to Bondega from Burla. The injured persons were first rushed to district headquarters hospital and later shifted to Burla hospital. Temperatures across Odisha went down yesterday with many places recording below 40 degrees Celsius, even as the state government confirmed the death of 26 people due to sunstroke. The Regional Meteorological Center in Bhubaneswar said the city recorded the highest temperature of 40.7 degree, followed by Malkangiri at 40 degree. Meteorological Director Sarat Chandra Sahu said temperatures will come down in the coming days, which would give the much needed respite to people. He said the monsoon was likely to hit the state in the second week of June. The center also expects rain or thunder shower in the next 2 days in some parts of the state. The Special Relief Commissioner in a statement confirmed that 26 people have died of sunstroke. He said they have also received reports of 131 more deaths, but they were yet to be confirmed. Hollywood superstar Anubhav Mohanty has debuted on the small screen as a talk show host on the leading Odia news channel OTV. In the show, titled Goppo Heli Bisotho, Anubhav talked to common people about their real-life incidents, which are very shocking but true. On his new role, Mohanty said it is a brand new concept which gives common people a platform to speak their real stories. The Hollywood heartthrob will be seen in Tarang Cine Productions' next film, which bears the same name, Goppo Heli Bisotho. A source from the production house said, Anubhav, who is very excited about the program, has completely immersed himself in making the show, starting from scripting to doing research to shooting. The social issue-based show is being telecast on OTV from Monday to Friday at 8:30 p.m. Before wrapping up the headlines once again, over 2 lakh devotees witnessed Snana Purnima, the bathing festival of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, Sudarshan and Goddess Subhadra today. State technical team inspects proposed location in Sambalpur for setting up of Indian Institute of Management, reviews 5 aspects as asked by HRD Ministry. CM Navin Patnaik summons DGP Sanjeev Marik and Police Commissioner RP Sharma to crack High Court ex-judge loot case immediately. Following inconclusive meet with state government, Odisha Truckers Association decides to go on strike from June 9th. Nearly 1.3 lakh trucks to go off-roads. And Bollywood star Anubhav marks his presence as host in OTV's talk show Goppa Heli Visoto. Thank you for watching. Good night.